Yeah, hello. My name is Ransford Lartey, the President and CEO of Royals Connect Ghana Limited, official representative for BST company in Russia, manufacturers of drilling rigs. I'm here once again in the beautiful city of Chelyabinsk. I'm at the factory. You can see all the manufacturing processes. BST as a company does not only manufacture drilling rigs, but they also manufacture special vehicles for the Russian armed forces. Due to BST's expertise in various fields in terms of manufacturing. You can see yesterday I was here when this special vehicle for the Russian armed forces was being assembled. I just came this morning. The speed at which this whole process has been done, I'm very surprised. So it tells you about the efficiency in which and the manner BST operates. So I entreat both the government, companies, individuals with interest to patronize or to purchase drilling rigs to contact us on 0545 778127. Our office is located on the Accra Nsawam highway. We are just at the medie flyover bus stop. So you can reach us wherever you find yourself in the 16 regions of Ghana. You can contact us for all your drilling rigs. We are the official representative and then agent for BST company in Ghana. This is the semi-finished products section of the factory. These are orders for some Ghanaians who are interested in doing business in the fields of water. So this is the platform on which the entire system is built on. You can see the generator for the power and then the control system and what have you. So in this section of the factory, this is where we have all the assembling process being done, and I'm here to ensure that people who have placed the necessary orders, I oversee how the entire assembling process will go through so that shipment can be done directly from here to the port of Tema. So in this regard, I entreat both the government, companies and individuals with interests in borehole business or drilling water to find permanent solutions. Due to galamsey in our country, most of our water bodies have been destroyed, and as such we can only fall on boreholes. And I'm here in Russia at the BST factory manufacturing center with a quality and durable equipment whereby you can use for many years. We have the after-sales service attached. You don't just patronize or purchase a product and then we just leave you. No, we don't go by that. We ensure that you have after-sales service. You can see here all the necessary parts, accessories that are needed to ensure that you have value for money, and then the investment returns, that is ROI. That is why I am here to oversee that everything is done, properly done for our customer. So wherever you are across the 16 regions of Ghana and you are interested to do business in the fields of water, that is the borehole drilling rigs. These are innovative technologies. These are simplified versions designed by BST, a Russian company. They do not only produce or manufacture these products, these rigs for the Russian market, but they export across board. They even work also for the Russian army based on orders that you are going to place. And the moment you place an order, the speed at which they complete your task and get shipment done, my brother, my sister, wherever you are in the 16 regions of Ghana, I can assure you that you will have value for money. If you invest also in the drilling rigs business for boreholes, across the country. I can assure you, you get your returns on your investment that you are going to invest. So in this regard, I entreat you to call us on 0545 778127. Our office is located on the Accra Nsawam Highway, exactly at the medie bus stop, the flyover. Our office is there. You just walk just 5 minutes, the first floor. That is where our office is located. You just put a call through. Either you WhatsApp or whatsoever, you can place your order, and I can assure you of quick and then swift delivery, because BST is a company that follows proper procedural process in its business. It has been in business for a very long time and very credible, very authentic, very honest and transparent in doing business. So Royals Connect being the official agent in the Republic of Ghana, I entreat both the government, private companies, individuals who are interested. If you have already built your facility and these huge machines cannot go there to drill the water for you, these are innovative machines. Wherever it can enter, we have various types. It can enter everywhere to do the exact work the bigger mounted rigs are done. This has been simplified to solve any problem in terms of drilling. That is why we are here today, to ensure that those who have already placed their orders, everything is done and then it is delivered from here, Russia, to Tema. So you can contact us, just as I've already said. Contact us via our number. I am repeating again, 0545 778127. We are on WhatsApp. You can link us up and place your orders. Any quantity can be supplied, because the speed at which BST works, my brother, my sister, you have no idea. They work at a very, very faster pace. And when we talk of durability, it is Russia. We just came from the assembling line. We are here currently at the completed section of the drilling rigs. We have various types. The drilling capacity from 100 meters to 400 meters. We have the smaller sizes and then the bigger sizes, that is the track mounted. And we can design any form of rig, any specifications that you present to BST, it can be actually done for you. And I entreat both the government, corporate bodies, individuals with interest in borehole business and then finding permanent solutions to our water problems, to contact us on 0545 778127. And when we talk of quality and durability, it is BST and it is Russia. When you invest your money in terms of purchase of BST drilling rigs, I can assure you, you will use these rigs for years, over 10 years, and then your generations, both born and unborn children, will use this equipment, because Russia does not do that kind of mass production. You buy today, 1 year, it is broken down. No, Russia produces for future generations. So I entreat each and everyone who is interested to enter into the drilling rigs business or borehole business to patronize this product from us. You can contact us at our office, 0545 778127. We are located on the Accra Nsawam Road. That is exactly at the medie flyover, medie bus stop. Just 5 minutes walk from the flyover. Our office is on the story building, first floor. You can contact us. Once again, I repeat the number, 0545 778127. And I can assure you of swift and fast delivery. Wherever you are located across the 16 regions of Ghana, we will supply you quality drilling rigs. Thank you.